welcome back to my channel, and if you're new around here, hi, I'm Mackenzie. Today's vlog, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a little apartment update vlog. So excited to show you all the progress we've been making on the apartment. It's going to be really fun. I don't think I've updated you guys on the apartment since we moved in and I did like my fall decor haul. Just with the wedding and everything, we really didn't have like the time, the energy, or really the money to put a lot of effort into the apartment. But since we got married a couple weeks ago now, we have been prioritizing making this apartment our home, and I'm so excited to show you guys all that we're doing. So we actually went to IKEA last weekend and I vlogged a bunch of footage there, so I will show you guys all of that. And then after, I'll do a little haul of everything we got from IKEA. I've gotten a lot of stuff from Target and Amazon, so I'll show you guys that. And just kind of how with these like little updates, I'm making the space a little homier and making it a little more functional for us. So I'm really excited to just get into the video. So let's just go ahead and head to IKEA. All right, we have made it to the promised land. We are at IKEA. Can't wait to go in and find stuff for our apartment. If you like IKEA vlogs as much as I do, comment down below. I think they're so fun. I just absolutely love IKEA. In we go. We got our fuel, we got a Diet Pepsi and a water, and we're heading into the showrooms, which is my favorite part, like seeing how they do everything. It's beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh. It's like Disney World.
For the next 6 hours.
So what we are looking for here at IKEA, we really need like an entryway table. So we're gonna look for that. We don't need a couch because I'm buying a couch from somewhere else, but I need like a coffee table, some organization, things like that. So that's what we're on the hunt for. I put my hair up because IKEA, you know, we're gonna be walking, we're gonna be getting our steps in. So we're gonna look for those things, and I'm so excited. This room looks kind of Christmassy, and it's gonna be so excited for the holidays. I like the little stars in the windows. And look, is that a gnome? What is this? I love him. Can we get him? But he's so cute. Look at him. Oh, I love this. Bryce and I are looking at this coffee table. It's $169. The reason we like it is it pulls up. So if you're sitting on the couch, which we like to eat meals on the couch, it's like perfect to like eat here. I don't know, I like it. And there's some storage tucked down in here. Ooh. So as I've talked about before, Bryce is opening his own office and he is just, you know, testing out this space, possibly. But I love like the standing and sitting desk. I think these are really cool. I would love to get one, but it's very open at the bottom, so I would have to kind of figure out that like as far as storage goes. But this is a very vibey office.
I'll take 5.
You'll take 5. Okay, perfect. Just add them to the cart. I think we found the console table that I want by the front door. I just like the like glass and black look of it. It is a little shorter than maybe I thought I wanted, but I think it'll be fine. We're just gonna like hopefully not set clutter on there, so maybe this will prevent that. But I think we might get this. It's only $70, and if you're an IKEA family member, whatever that means, it's $40. So I like this a lot. I found a bigger version of the gnome I saw earlier, and since Bryce said no to the little one, I probably should just get the big one. I love him. He's so cute. You can't even see his little eyes. I love it. Oh, I'm so excited for Christmas. This makes me so excited. All right, we've made it to like the marketplace area. I am obsessed with all of these pillow textures. I'm really gravitating towards the green, except for my carpet or rug that we have in the living room is like pink and blue and stuff. So this is not really the vibe, but I think I might make my bathroom colors these like deep kind of green colors. I'm really liking this. But I think we're gonna have to look in the blues down there for our like textiles for the couch that we get. So we have made it through the entire showrooms and marketplace. We're in the big warehouse section now. We are getting something, as you can see. We have a couple of things in our cart. Can't wait to show you guys everything we're getting, everything we're gonna get the rest of the weekend, and then how it all kind of comes together. I'm feeling really good about everything. I'm just looking at it, I'm so excited. We got a couple Christmas things too. So we're gonna head out now, we're gonna check out, and I think it was a successful IKEA trip. I absolutely love IKEA. Bryce, did you have a good time?
It was so much fun.
He had so much fun. And now we are going to head out. Okay, we are back in present day and wanted to show you guys some of the things we picked up from IKEA. We got 2 Christmas things that are really small, but I have to show you guys. So I love to bake. I really am to baking cupcakes right now. So I got these cute little Christmas little cupcake holders, and I am so excited to use these and get to baking. I think these would be really cute to like bring to like holiday events and parties and things like that. So I'm gonna use those. And then, of course, we got these little like cookie cutter sets, but they have like a Christmas tree, an elf, a reindeer, a heart, and a star. And I thought these were really cute. I can use the heart for like Valentine's Day and other things, or like anniversaries and stuff, but I just thought these were so cute because we don't have any cookie cutters, and we are going like so hard into Christmas this year because it's our first Christmas married. So we had to get that, and I just had to show you guys because it just made me really giddy and really excited to do a Christmas decorate with me, which is coming soon. Some more things we picked up from IKEA. I already put them together, but I love the the way they look. I can't stop looking at them. But for these like pillows right here, we got the actual cover and the insert. They're so soft and I really like how they look on the bed. Obviously I need to straighten them up a little bit, but they look really good. These are definitely a really good upgrade and I love how like plush and soft they are. And I just think they're the perfect size for this room. It doesn't like overpower it, but it looks really good. Okay, talking a little quieter because Bryce is on the call in the office, but the last thing we got from IKEA, I showed you guys in the vlog, we did end up getting that console table and I absolutely love it. We put it together and everything, but I do need y'all's help deciding like what's gonna go on it because that is what I'm struggling with. No clue what to put on it. This is it. Here's our front door when you come in, and I think it's like the perfect size for this space. I love the black, I love the open bottom, I love the little shelf. I just don't know what to put on here. Like we have this little wooden thing that Bryce's dad made us and this candle. These aren't gonna stay here. These are just stuff that we were like pulling to see like sizing of different things we should put. We do have this like black metal mirror here that we thought about putting above it. I just don't know if it's gonna be too much black metal right here. So I also thought about doing like 4 picture frames with maybe like our wedding photos in black and white or color. I don't know. I definitely need some like coffee table books. Was gonna do a lamp, but there's no outlets. So I think I'm gonna have to do like a vase here with some like, I don't know, whatever that is. And then maybe something over here, like a little catch-all maybe to put like keys and stuff. But comment down below what you guys think. I love this little space and I don't want it to be empty. So I need you guys' help. Right, so that's everything we got from IKEA. We didn't get as much as we thought we were gonna get, which I'm actually really happy with. I feel like a lot of times when I'm like home decor shopping or apartment shopping, I get a lot of stuff that I don't really need and ends up like going to waste or just looking like a lot of clutter. So we did really well, but I have a couple more things I wanna show you guys from Amazon and Target that I am like so excited about. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you probably my most favorite thing that I got for this apartment, and I'm just, it's gonna sound so silly, but I can't wait to show you guys. It's good. This side table is what I'm so giddy about. We have a matching set, so Bryce has one over there, but I got them from Amazon and each one was only $90. And I was kind of worried that they were gonna be like a cheap wood material, but they are very heavy duty, very sturdy. I'm like so impressed with the quality. If you saw our move-in vlog, Bryce wanted our bed on like a mattress topper thing, so we have a big mattress topper down there and it makes our bed really high up. So I was worried about finding nightstands that would be tall enough, but these are like the perfect height. I think they're like 29 inches or something like that. I will like put it on the screen if I'm wrong, but they are perfect. I feel like it's the perfect height and I just love them. I love the drawers. Like they're very good sized drawers that I can keep stuff. Hopefully I don't clutter these up, but I'm doing good so far. I just have my laptop charger in that one and then a notebook. And then I'm keeping my laptop down there. Since we moved into the apartment, we have been using like boxes as our nightstands. So it feels really good to have something to actually set our stuff on. So I'm gonna kind of walk you guys through everything that we have on there, on my side at least, because Bryce's is empty. And I'm gonna get you guys' opinions on what I should add to it. So this is how I usually have the nightstand set up. By the way, got a new Stanley. I got the 30-ounce one. So if you're someone who struggles drinking your Stanley because you have the big one, downsize. Because I was someone that struggled and I got intimidated by how much water I had to drink. I gave the bigger one to my mom and this one has been perfect. So get the smaller one. Anyway, that's what's usually there. But these coasters are from Crate & Barrel. They're like a ceramic, I guess, kind of coaster, but they're great. They're very heavy duty. This is my little smartphone watch charger. I think it was a Christmas gift. You can get them like pretty much anywhere, but I charge my watch, my phone, and my AirPods on here. And I like that I don't have a bunch of cords. I just have one right here. This little guy right here was a gift from Bryce at our engagement. It's just my little ring holder. And I think it's so cute and I absolutely love it. I just have a candle here that I just had laying around. And then this lamp is actually a lamp from Target that I picked up, and the lampshade too, obviously. But I absolutely love this lamp. I think it's the perfect size for the table. I didn't want a big one because I just felt like it would kind of take over the nightstand and take away a lot of the space there. I really just like the clear too because I think it just looks great in the space, looks nice and clean, and I'm just loving the way this looks. Oh my gosh. I'll show you guys Bryce's side too. Obviously, he is just the keeper of the remotes right now. There's this like little silicone ring. He has a coaster too, so he doesn't like get ring little lines on the nightstand, but I don't know how to really dress his up. We didn't want a lamp on his side because the lamp over there is already very bright, and I just feel like there was no need to have 2 lamps. but I want to make this side like nice and aesthetic looking, but also like a nightstand that's like for a guy and not like very girly. So if you have any recommendations, let me know for that. I think really all I'm missing in this room besides like dressing up Bryce's nightstand is I want to get like a picture or something like artwork to hang above our bed. I just think the ceiling is so high and having something right there would kind of like bring it down and make it really cozy. So yeah, I think it looks really good. I love these nightstands. All right, so that was my big Amazon find. I'm so happy with the way the side tables turned out. I was really worried just getting them from Amazon, but $90, the quality that those are is amazing. And if you need side tables, you need to look at those. They have a bunch of different colors too, so I will link them down below like I said, but they are just, they're perfect. I'm so excited. I never thought I would be so giddy about side tables in my life, but here we are. Okay, I also want to show you guys the progress that I've made on the bathroom. All of this stuff I picked up from Target, and it's not like a drastic change by any means, but just little things that I did to kind of make the bathroom feel a little bit fresher and cleaner and more cohesive. So let me show you guys that. So when you walk in, you can kind of see that it all kind of goes together a lot better. First thing is this rug that I picked up from Target. I really like the fringe detailing because we got this shower curtain from Target from our wedding registry. And so it just matches so much better. I had a really small, like almost square rug that matched our old towels, and it was just way too small for the space. So I think this fits way better. Then moving on to the countertops, I did pick up this little soap dispenser here from Target. I just really like the look of a soap dispenser rather than just like the one from Bath & Body Works that I had up here. I also got that color, the chrome kind of look, because it matches our faucets in the sink and in the shower. Then just over here, I have a little picture frame. I thought this was really cute. I like the like industrial kind of look of it. I think I'm going to switch out that picture for a picture from the wedding when we get those back, but that's just what I have now, so it looks great. Then of course, I have my little Disney candle. I don't know how it got so burnt around the side, but this is my favorite smelling candle, the 50th scent. I love it so much. And then these hand towels, I got these hand towels and the towels to match it to kind of freshen up the bathroom a little bit. The towels we had were just really old and just worn down. So instead of getting rid of those old towels, I'm gonna use them as like our spill towels if we have like spills in the kitchen or something like that to clean up with. But I really like these new towels. I think they match the gray that's in our shower tile so perfectly. I absolutely love them. Just having these like out and on the rack, it looks so much more like clean and just organized in here. I really like how it all came together. I just feel like just making it a little more cohesive makes the bathroom look cleaner and nicer and more minimalistic. I had like bright blue towels in here and it was just a little much, so just little updates around this space has really made it so much cozier and so much homier, and I love it. All right, so that is everything I had to show you guys as far as this apartment update goes. I know they were really small changes, but I love seeing people's apartment updates over time because I feel like you get to see all these little changes that turn into their apartment and their home, and it's so fun. Bryce and I are really feeling like with these little updates, it's a lot cozier and homier, and we're getting settled in and we're just really loving our space right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like it if you haven't already and subscribe down below so you don't miss the next one. As far as videos coming up in the next couple weeks, I know I'm gonna do like a decorate with me for Christmas for the holidays, which I'm really excited about because that's gonna make the home even cozier. And then we have a whole Disney trip coming with my sister, so I'm gonna have Disney vlogs, pack and prep with me, all the things. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you real soon. Bye!